Hi, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy, the Doordash Revolution, with another episode. We just got through going through another Doordash update, and I want to share that update with you. Let's do it just like this first. We're going to go to my files as I show it to you. Okay, here we go. Going through the files. In the new update, it's going to ask for all this information right here. Verify that you have a pizza bag. Having a pizza bag increases the likelihood that you will get assigned pizza orders. Pizza bags keep pizza warm during the delivery, which help customers have a better experience and can lead to higher tips and ratings. Purchase a bag, and then at the bottom it talks about learn more about the pizza program. You can see that at the bottom right there. All right, next picture is going to show you. It's going to show you this here. All right, we're going to read that. Verify your pizza bag. Make sure that your bag is fully in frame with good lighting. Example of a good photo. And that's what I got to do right now. Get ready and take the photo. I'll be right back. We took the pizza bag photo fully in frame. That's the example right there. I got it sitting on the cardboard while I got it done like that there, then submit the photo. This is for beginners. And then this is what it's going to say. Your pizza bag is verified. Thanks for verifying your pizza bag. It helps customers have a quality experience, which can lead to higher tips and ratings. Because you have a pizza bag, you'll have an increased chance of getting pizza orders in the future. Then you hit continue, and then it got on here. That's the new feature that I'm showing you in your settings box where it says pizza bag, manage, verify. And it's got me on cash on delivery. It automatically turned that on. Now the next thing we want to share with you, the changes in the app. This was one of the updates that they did first. They did it last year. The in-app GPS feature that they implemented in. And then I got a choice. I could go to Google Maps if I want to, or Waze. We just got through talking about your equipment. All right, which is the pizza bag. I guess next down the road, you're going to see the catering bag in there as well. And you can see where it says SafeDash Check-in, manage check-in preferences. And then I got to go to the floating widget, which is off right now. I want to go ahead and activate that. Then it tells you to hit the settings. See the detail, see delivery details from anywhere. Turn on your floating dash widget to see your delivery details while navigating and using other apps. Press settings and enable and display over other apps for your Dash app, which the floating widget, what we talk about when you hit another icon or you're looking at other apps. That floating widget gonna come up in the right hand corner on the Android phone for Android users. I don't know how they started using it and utilizing it for iPhones. Not last time I checked, iPhone users couldn't use it. And then once you do that, you got to go to your settings and go where it says Dasher. If it said not allowed, depending on your phone, you got to turn that on. All displays over other apps. And then I have to turn that on. That's that right there. Okay, everybody's phone's not the same. It might be set up a little different than mine. Okay, we got all of those things turned on. Next thing we want to go to is the safety thing. All right, let's go ahead and check in with that. And this is what it says, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully now they have tweaked everything and got it ready. It was asking you questions when you go to like the hospital. or you go to a good neighborhood in a wealthier area, it would ask you, are you safe? Or do you feel safe, or do you feel unsafe? Now we hope that they have updated it where when you're in these dangerous neighborhoods and everything, now you can be able to use it. SafeDash Check-in. SafeDash can now automatically check in with you to see if you're doing okay and provide assistance if we detect a dash isn't going as planned. And go ahead and enable that. When turned on, we will send you push notifications for proactive safety check-in. It's more to this feature than what I'm talking about. Okay, we'll go ahead at the bottom, hit done. All right, so now that's the done deal. I want to back for a second and take a look at okay, there we are. Okay, we got through going over those features. So these are the new updated features that has happened recently in my area, in my market, and be able to utilize these features a lot better. So since they did the pizza bag equipment of verification, they're gonna implement the catering bag next. So ladies and gentlemen, especially this is for beginners, new drivers, and maybe drivers that's wondering why, okay, it's constantly changes and updates going on with our application. Now there may be other drivers that are seeing these features being implemented in their markets and their cities. Leave it in the comments down below. Share if yes, we have received this 2 months ago, 3 months ago, 6 months ago, a year ago, or we just recently started receiving these updates too. Peace, take care, and we'll see you in our next video.